Hello guys, good evening. My name is Atal Ashok Rajambulkar and welcome back to my channel, Principal SAP ERP Solution. So today in this tutorial, we will see how to set logo on your SAP EasyAccess GUI screen in SAP system. On the SAP system, we have to enter the T codes in command bar, which is SM W0. Then we have to click on the enter button. So while we click the enters, the next GUI screen will be appear, which is SAP Web Repository Initial Screen. Here the two web object will be appear. First is the HTML template for web RFC application, and second is the binary data for web RFC applications. So we have to select the second option, which is binary data for web RFC applications. Now again we have to click on the enter button. The next screen will be appear, which is binary data for web RFC. So in this we have to keep all this package object name and object description keep as a blank, because all the predefined SAP objects will be appear. So again we have to click on the execute button. Remove cockpit image, and again we have to scroll down. Then again logo, labo, boiron, prospect logo. Here all the objects have been appear. So open text logo, there are different types of objects. The standard object will be appear, and again we have to click on the setting and click on the maintain MIME types. You have to click on the create button. Here you can see the type and extension we have to maintain. So type means what type of extension, what type of image extension we have to maintain. So the image is in JPG, JPEG or PNG. I have to maintain the image in the PNG. So I type here first the image image, then forward slash and PNG, because I have to maintain the image in the PNG. Then again in the extension you have to enter dot PNG. What is extension image you have to maintain that, otherwise you have to maintain JPG. In extension you have to maintain dot JPEG. Okay, you have to click on the save button. Database record successfully created. This type and the extension will be stored in the database. You have to click on the back button, then again back. So now we are in the SAP web repository object display. Here we have to maintain the object. So we have to, for maintain the object, we have to click on the create button. I just click on the create button, and I just maintain the object name, which you can maintain any object name. So I maintain ZLOGO dot PNG. So you can give the description. I give the description logo in SAP Easy. And I click on the import button, so that while you importing the image, so it may be in the .png only, because we have to select that previous the type. This image is my in PNG file. Here you can see PNG file. So I click and open. So remember my decision. Click on the allow button. Then this image is assigned a package. So the transport request will be created. So you have to click on the local object. My transport request is automatically saved. So we have to create the object z logo.png and it is stored in the database. So again, what we have to do, we have to add this image into a table maintenance. So we have to enter the T code SM30. Enter the SM30. The table maintenance view will be open. So as so in the table view, we have to maintain. We have to enter the SSM underscore CUST as I already enter. So then we have to click on the maintain button. Is the table is cross client. Simple click on the continue button. Here you can see the standard predefined profile generator parameters already maintained. But we have to maintain for the image. So we have to click create the new entries. Click on the new entries button. Do the profile generator name, which is start underscore IMAGE, and value to be set. Whatever we have to create before the object, that object need to be maintained here. So we was create jet logo dot png. Okay. Score IMAGE. Okay. Then the value to be set, no. Maintaining this detail, the text will be shown. So start image, the text for start image is name of the picture to be displayed on the easy access screen. So whatever we have to maintain the image in Z logo, that image will be appear on easy access screen. So resize image is value to be set is no. Yes, default is no, default, and no is for the automatic size adjustment of picture on easy access screen. So we have to click on the save button, and this is the transport workbench request, and I simply click on continue. My transport request will be saved. So now we will see this image is simple go on the extras setting and click on no do not display pictures. Click on the continue button. You have to wait for a second. So here you can see the blank screen will be appear. So again we have to go to, we have to remove that tick do not display picture. So again you have to wait for a, so now you can see object. So from this you have to you can set your a logo on SAP Easy Access screen easily. And this is all about how to set a logo on a SAP Easy Access screen. One more thing, my favorite line is for SAP. Give time to SAP and SAP will take care of you. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. which is invincible SAP ERP solution. Yeah, anything is so thank you so much.